My name is Mario Ferron. I'm Director of Operation at Blanchelle, an industrial laundry service provider based in Montreal, Canada. Blanchelle only works with healthcare facilities. We like to think that by focusing on that, we can give a better service and be a more reliable partner for those facilities. We provide to large hospitals and nursing homes a complete service. So we obviously wash and deliver the linen, but we also manage the inventory. In most of them, we are also renting the linen to those facilities. So it's a complete service. They don't have to worry at all that with the linen service in their facilities. We take care of everything. Nursing home, large hospital, they cannot function without linen, obviously. So we cannot postpone the delivery for the day after. So we always need to manage to deliver on time every day. And I'm proud to say that in the last 45 years, we never failed. That's why we call ourselves provider of essential services. Our newest plant in Mascouche is equipped with state-of-the-art machinery, mostly coming from Europe. The washing machine we use here, what we call usually tunnel washer, can process 120 kilos per 2 minutes of clean linen of the highest standard. We work on one shift 6 days a week and process around 50,000 kilograms of clean linen per day per plant. In our business model, we invoice customer per kilogram of clean linen. And a face cloth doesn't weigh much, and most of them end up in garbage, sometime in the hospital or nursing home. So this is what we would call a loss leader for us. So it's important to minimize cost, to process it, and packaging them is been key in the last 2 years to reduce costs and improve productivity in that department. These items are not easy to package, and to find the right machine to do it was key. We initially met with the people of Paxiom fall of 2020 when we were starting the building of the new plant and also planning the layout of the production. Paxiom was already working on a similar bagger in another laundry, so it was making a lot of sense for us to work with them since they could also customize to our needs and provide what we thought and we still think the best solution for us. We went with the Paxiom VerTek 2400 for different reasons. One of the key elements for us was customization, since initially we use it for face cloth, but over time we're planning on using it for different products. So size of the bag will change. The film that we use with the bag will also change. So key element is how you can work different product with the machine. Also, it was very important in operation that the machine was reliable, and you can see from the machine it's strongly built and definitely more reliable than what we've seen in other plants for similar use. The VerTek 2400 can package for us 225,000 face cloth per day per shift. We don't need as much, so that's why we also use it for different products like bed contour sheet, microfiber cloth, isolation gown. Before we had the VerTek, we had 8 to 10 workers folding and bagging face cloth manually for 8 hours. Now with the VerTek, we only have 1 person operating the machine and 2 persons inspecting the product for quality. All told, it was a big financial saving for us, 6 to 7 full-time salary year long. Also, in terms of space in the production layout, it was much more efficient than having 10 person working manually, folding and bagging those face cloth. So it's much better integrated in our production layout. But Paxiom has been very good in efficiently training our people in a very short amount of time, and also having good communication with our people over the first couple of weeks of operation and make it work properly. It's pretty simple for our technician to do the service on the equipment, and for the employee to work through the different recipe that we use here at the plant. after being inspected and weighed, the linen will be brought to the VerTek with the conveyor, the top conveyor, then drop into the bag. And when the VerTek is done sealing it, cutting it, it will be dropped on another conveyor to go to the card preparation. So the result is a perfect bag, perfectly sealed all the time. Let's take a look at the HMI. So a lot of things that we can see on the HMI. One of the first things you'll see is the actual speed or pace of the machine that is highly visible. You can also see what recipe we're using, length of the bag that we want. You can also see different temperature, sealing time. So we can quickly have a good look at if everything is running smoothly and what actually the product we're processing in the machine. So now for more technical information and in-depth specification about the VerTek 2400, let me introduce you to André from Paxiom.
Hello everybody, my name is André Struhl. I am the sales manager for Paxiom in Quebec. We're sitting here next to the VerTek 2400. This is our largest vertical form fill and seal from the VerTek family, capable to produce pouches of 24 inches wide by 36 inches long. Preceded by the VerTek 1200, can go up to 12 inches wide, the VerTek 800 up to 8 inches wide, and our new addition to the family, the VersaPack, a small countertop vertical form fill and seal. This piece of equipment here is equipped with a pivoting table to support its heavyweight pouches, as well as poly jaws. Some of the components that we use in it are SMC pneumatics, as well as Omron PLCs. The machine can be customized to fit into different types of environments. Here at Blanchelle, cleaners is always hot and toasty, but we have this piece of equipment running in food industries, in fisheries, in chemical plants, in very harsh environments. It's meant to work around the clock. Cruising speed of this machine is between 5 and 6 pouches per minute, and it's always there as a partner to support you in your endeavors.
Automation is key to keep cost and productivity where we need it, especially with labor challenge that all companies are facing now. Packaging will be more and more important in our industry, and we're confident that Paxiom will be a great partner for us and will meet the challenge and provide us with the best equipment possible.